squeeze to make the juices run, devoured whole to rid me of my impenetrable core. Every drop you lick off your fingers, I have tasted before. Sparkling tears rest on bronze, meet with dripping patterns of pink watermelon juice and trickling lust. Wet tongues reach for sips of refreshment, melting ice lightly clinks in emptiness as I splash innocence on soaking indifference. Yellow rays reflect dancing shapes on my still skin. My singing makes them swoon. My softness swallows marble statues and bursts floating embraces. The longer you stay inside of me, the warmer I feel. An elixir in slim glasses disembodies mystery. They listen as it surges through their veins, falling head first into the loud darkness of the night, held upright by strange hands, streetlights and sadness in their sight, hovering in disconnected blurriness, hearing distant humming on my skin, while drinking from my rotten core, as though kissing a mirror, barely slipping into me until they return. Crush every pound in helpless fists, and strip souls less on the scale, vomit up heavy dignities, lose yourselves on bathroom tiles, throats burning bright. Merci für den Luisteren.